Google Chrome is the most used browser in the world, but its default settings quietly track you. If you are using Google Chrome without changing these settings, your browsing data, location, and activity may be exposed. Today, I will show you the Chrome privacy settings you must change in step by step. So, let's begin. Welcome back to Infotrix, where we turn complex tech into simple, secure solutions. No extensions, no paid tools, just built-in Chrome settings that actually works. Turn on Enhanced Safe Browsing. Open your browser, click on this three dot, then here click on the settings options. And from the left side, click on the privacy and security, then here click on the settings options. And you can find these types of options. You have to select these options, enhanced protection, and select enhanced protection. This protects you from dangerous websites, downloads, and phishing attacks using real-time threat detection. Stop third-party tracking. Open your browser, click on this three dot, then here click on the settings options. From the left side, click on the privacy and security, then click here third-party cookies. Here, by default, it's allow third-party cookies. You have to select this option, block third-party cookies. Select this option. Click on it. Select or do not track your activity. Here, click on it and turn on this option. Send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. Third-party cookies track you across website. This significantly reduces ad tracking. Clear and limit browsing data. Open your Chrome, click here the three dot options, click on the settings. From the left side, click on privacy and security. And here you can find this option, clear browsing data. Click on it. You have to select all time from these options. Click on the all times and select all the options. Click here, delete data. And it will take some time and remove all your browsing data from this browser. Disable location, camera, and mic access. Open your Chrome. From the right side, click on these three dot options and click on the settings. From the left side, click on privacy and settings, and from here click site settings. And you can find these options location. Click on it and select these options. Don't allow sites for use your location. As the same, click on these camera options and click on these settings. Don't allow sites to use your camera. And go back and again select this option microphone and also select this option don't allow sites to use your microphone. And that's it. Only allow this when absolutely necessary. Turn off Chrome synchronization tracking. Open your Chrome, click on this three dot and click on the settings options. Click on the U and Google these options. And you can find these options here, synchronize and Google services. So turn off these options, allow Chrome sign in, help improve Chrome's feature and performance. Turn off these options and this change will work after restart your Chrome browser. And also you have to turn off this option, make searches and browsing better. Turn off this and also turn off the improve search suggestions, this option, and restart your browser. This prevents your browsing activity from being synced across devices. Disable Privacy Sandbox. Open your Chrome browser, then click on these three dots options and click on settings. Then from the left side, click on privacy and security. And here you can find this option adds privacy. Click on it. Here you can find this option add topics. Click on it and turn off these options add traffic. And step back. Here you can find this option site suggestions ads. Click on it and turn off these options also. Again, step back and find these options, add measurement, click on it and turn off these options also. Then restart your browser. Turn off prediction services. Open your browser, click on the three dot, click on settings, and from the left side, click on privacy and security. And here, click on the site settings and scroll down and click here additional content settings. Then you can find these options performance, click on it. Then you can find this option speed, here preload pages, turn off these options. This stops Chrome from loading pages you didn't even open. After completing the all steps, your browser now enhanced protection on, third-party cookies blocked, location, camera, and mic restricted, syncing and ad tracking disabled, Privacy Sandbox off. Chrome doesn't need to track you to work properly. If you followed these steps, your browsing is now faster, safer, and more private. Like the video, subscribe to Infotrix, and comment below if you change these settings.